Solana as well also just looks like it's about ready to rip, folks. We got the green dot a couple weeks ago. Nice green candle to start the week. If that thing breaks out over 187, it's going to moon. Okay, I'm targeting like $300 for Solana on a move. That's about 100% ripper right there. Solana up 5% today, looking good. OP still looking good. That thing had a green dot come last week. Okay, as long as it holds 240. Okay, if you guys don't know what a stop loss is, okay, it's a level that we're bouncing at. Meaning if this is truly the bottom, right? If that was the bottom, that is our level we're playing. Okay, so when I say stop loss, really I just mean you need to sell if it breaks down below that level. Okay, and I think a green dot's going to come on this one this week. I'm going to remain a buyer of OP as well. Okay, again, not looking to sell this thing till the stochastic gets closer to the white dotted line right there. Again, the green dot came and it faded, but I can predict right now that this thing is going to come this week. You'll see that back over here inside of Overkill Alerts. Here's Uniswap, still super bullish on this one. This is another one that gave us the green dot last week, but again, this is a name that was up 46% off of its green dot. So what I like to do when we get the green dot is to get in here to the 4 hour, okay, and play the 4 hour green dots. Okay, I want to play the pullbacks on the lower time frame. Okay, so the 4 hour and the weekly are the two charts I'm really focused on. Okay, and again, the weekly still looks good. Okay, the weekly still looks good. It just needs to break out over 12. I'm going to remain a buyer of Uniswap here. Okay, and if we get a big pullback on the 4 hour, okay, I'd be looking to buy the next green dot on the 4 hour, just like how it came right there. If this thing pulls back to 10, I would absolutely love that, but I'd be a buyer on the next 4 hour green dot on Uniswap. Okay, so again, if we get a big jump like this, we don't necessarily want to buy up 46%. We kind of want it to trickle back down and then bounce, kind of like it did here. Okay, big push up, trickle down, rip. Okay, you do have a green dot though, but again, 46% off of the mean right now. That was a beautiful bounce right off of the mean. But you're literally sitting, 30% off of our mean. That level that I was talking about on the cheat sheet over here. Again, we want to buy above the mean, okay, as close to the mean as possible, not way off of the mean, okay, like a bunch of people were doing right here, Uniswap, okay, up here at $17, meaning you were sitting, what was that, 60% off of the mean? Okay, when you get 60% off of our yearly average price, you're in this territory. This is not where you want to be buying assets, folks. Not where you want to be buying your assets. You want to be buying close to that average. And again, we don't like to buy when the price is trending below the 50-week moving average. Okay, the 50-week moving average is our yearly average price. The average price over 50 weeks. When we're below it, we're in a bear market. When we're above it, we're in a bull market. Okay, and this bull market's just about ready to pop off for Uniswap. This is also an Ethereum name here. So again, I'd be looking at a 4 hour chart here, playing the green dots, adding on the green dots. But I do think Uniswap is going to do the rippity-dippity here.